So hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video of After Effects. So today I'm gonna show you trending taper and Dashline effect. So without wasting any more time, let's open your After Effects. So first of all, enable professional grind and make a pen tool. Then draw a straight line. And drag it downward according to your text and expand shape settings. Go on stock and change the taper settings like me. And press AC on your keyboards and make a keyframes according to your text animation. Then press T on your keyboards and make a keyframes according to your text animation. Then pre-compose both layer. Then ready to your effect. And do the same to the second effect. Then expand shape settings, go on stock and enable dashes, change dash settings and make a keyframes on offset like me. And press T on your keyboards and make a keyframes according to your text. And press S on your keyboards and separate X and Y scale dimension and make a keyframes according to your text animation. And again change opacity settings according to your text. Then select both layer and pre-composed and apply gloss. Then ready to your effect. So thank you for watching guys, and if you want these similar trending tutorial videos, so don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video guys.